Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be running a benchmark on my Fujitsu computer. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running Cinebench along with HWiNFO so I can monitor the system temperatures. So if I go HWiNFO, and then I can then monitor my system temps using this piece of software here. So what this basically does is it allows you to monitor everything in your computer. So basically the CPU, you can monitor that, and also the active clock as well. Yeah, so let's get on with the benchmark. So for this I'm going to be running HWiNFO for this. No, not Cinebench, sorry, Cinebench. So if I go to Cinebench, well, actually I can just search for it. Yeah, there we go. But first what I want to do is I want to get the temperature sensors up and running. So there's my temperature sensors, and I can just minimize that and just have this right here. And this was a previous score I did, so it might have an impact on the score because I'm using a screen recorder and have this open at the same time, so it might affect the results slightly, but we can sort of use this as a sort of a, what do you call it, like a referee or some description. So then we can now start the multi-core benchmarks. Okay then, so now we've got the temps right here. And the benchmark is underway, and already our CPU cores are going up in temperature, and also we have our clock speed here as well if you're interested. So we're at we're only at 2.9 gigahertz, which is I'm guessing it's a power save thing, I don't know. But you can see the benchmarks taking place now. So it's gonna be a while. Okay, next phase. Temperatures now at around sort of like in the 50s, 60s. Max temperatures around 61, 62 degrees. So not too bad. This computer's got pretty good cooling. Okay, so benchmarking has concluded, and as you can see, the temps are dropping quite rapidly now. Though they seem to be stabilising in the 40s, 50s, so around there. But now they're more or less in the 40s, but let's see what score we got. Yeah, it is slightly lower because I had the screen recorder going and this temperature monitoring thing going. So yeah, all in all, the system stayed pretty cool. So we got highs of 36 degrees, no, 63 degrees, sorry, 63 degrees, and the core distance to TJ max, that got around 69 degrees. So the highest temperature was 69, but as far as the processor itself, that got a high of 63, and the maximum frequency we got was 3 gigahertz. So yeah, this pretty much concludes the benchmarking of my Fujitsu system.